$4,400 Ethereum, and we are showing zero signs of slowing down. Now guys, this is a weekly chart for Ethereum, and it is looking absolutely beautiful. Not only have we broken this triple top, Ethereum is ripping through with a lot of strength right now, getting ready to peak. Getting ready to touch the all-time high peak of 2021 with zero signs of slowing down. This strength could lead to all-time highs. This strength could lead to an altcoin rally. This strength could lead to the bull market that we have been waiting for, and I am ready. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about it in this video, but we're also going to be going over Shiba Inu coin because, unfortunately, Shib is not showing the same strength. So we've got to go over the numbers. We have to understand what's happening. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, Shiba Inu coin holding time is cut in half, pushing the token towards new lows. Now, Shib isn't really falling towards new lows today. Shiba Inu coin just is not performing as well as the rest of the altcoins. Shib sitting here at 13-15 points per coin. It continues to trend in this wedge right here. You guys can see hitting the all-time highs in 2021 right here. And continuing to hit these lower highs since then, trending almost perfectly in this descending wedge pattern on a weekly chart. Now, with that, a lot of investors have chosen to move more towards a short-term strategy, a swing trade on Shiba Inu coin. And we're going to talk a little bit about that in the video, and we're going to go over some statistics. But let's set the overall, I guess, pace or sentiment in the market. It is extremely bullish right now, but we've got so much room to run. Ethereum sitting at $4,400 per coin. You can see that we are really, really close to those 2021 all-time highs and ready to break through. Now, with that, you look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at 119,245 this morning. It is up on the day today, slightly from the last 24 hours ago, but still up on the day. And you've got $73 billion in volume, which is very good. But the overall fear and greed index, a slight 60 greed. Guys, we are nowhere near overheated. We are nowhere near overbought. We are sitting here ready to roll. Altcoin season, a level of 33 out of 100. Think about that, guys. Altcoin season isn't even beginning yet, and we've got Ethereum at $4,400 per coin. We've got so much room to run. But a lot of people are sitting here anticipating what's going to happen next. Well, I don't even believe that we're at the beginning yet, okay? I don't even believe that we're near a meme coin season, so we've got so much room to the upside. It says Shib holding time drops 78%, signaling growing bearish sentiment among investors. And to look at that a little bit more, it says Shib investors have reduced their holding time, a clear signal that bearish sentiment around the meme coin is growing. Data from End of the Block shows that the average holding time for transacted Shib has plunged by 78% over the last 7 days. You guys can get more insights like that if you want. It says the sharp decline suggests that holders are increasingly opting to sell or move their Shib tokens quickly to lock in gains rather than holding for longer term profit. And you know what? That's okay. At a time like this, when the fear and greed index is at 60 and altcoin season is not here, we can't expect people to be jumping in and excited about altcoins, and especially meme coins. We need to wait until the fear and greed index starts getting very greedy or extremely greedy before people really get excited about memes. So we still have a little ways to go, and the fact that we are already seeing altcoins as high as they are, but the indicators as low as they are, to me, means that we've got a lot of room to run. But we're already starting to see the signs as well. And I want to point this one out to you. This is one that I've been watching for a while. Your mom token is sitting at 34.60 right now. Look at this. This is a meme coin. Absolutely no utility whatsoever. But retail investors are starting to jump back in. They began to jump back in last week, and they've still got near 10x increases. It was a little higher than this. This is, what is this? Dex Tools just kind of aggregating the data back here. It was higher than this. On its way back to the upside as retail investors are ready to take some risks once again. And I do believe that retail investors will be ready to take risks in Shiba Inu coin. Once again, it's just a matter of time. It says further, the decline in Shib whale activity during the review period compounds this bearish outlook. Per into the block data, the meme coin's large holder net flows has plummeted 24% over the last 7 days. Large holders are whale addresses that hold more than 1% of an asset's circulating supply. Their net flow measures the difference between the amount of assets they buy and sell over a specified period of time. When this grows, large holders are accumulating the asset by buying more than they're selling. Conversely, when net flow is negative, the holders are offloading positions by selling more tokens than they're buying. Such behavior reduces the upward buying momentum of whales typically provide, leaving Shiba Inu coin exposed to market volatility and bearish trends. So right now, Shiba Inu coin and some of the meme coins out there are struggling, but that does not mean that it's over. Guys, look at the indicators. Don't judge based on emotion, judge based on the numbers. And the numbers are showing you that we have not even started yet. So yes, Ethereum might seem expensive because we have not seen these prices in a very long time. Solana may seem as though it's getting a little higher in price because we have not seen these numbers in about a year. But guess what? The indicators are showing you that we are nowhere near overbought. We are nowhere near overheated, and we have got a lot of room to run. So what am I doing? I continue buying. As a matter of fact, I bought more yesterday. I added some meme coins to my portfolio. I added Solana, I added SUI, and I added a little bit of Ton coin to my and some Ethereum to my portfolio yesterday, riding this wave even higher. If you guys are interested in buying, you've got a link for the KSX exchange down in the description below. You can grab Ethereum on up to 125x leverage. Imagine if Ethereum goes out there and doubles in price from here, and you guys grabbed it on 125x leverage play. That would be a 125x increase on your money. Please understand the risk to reward of going out and leverage trading before you do it, but also do not forget we've got a lot of opportunity out there with brand new meme coins like Maxi Doge. Maxi Doge, I've bought into this already. They've raised almost $750,000, $744,000 so far, just in roughly the first week. If you guys are interested in buying, you can click that link in the description. You can connect your wallet. You scan that QR code with the wallet on your phone, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. I do like to use Best Wallet or Trust Wallet to buy these tokens, so it is up to you which one you guys would like to use. But this is obviously a meme coin for all meme coins. And as a matter of fact, because you are so early, the staking rewards are still very good. At 381% annualized interest, you can roughly 5x your holdings if you could stake at that rate for the entirety of a year. But man, make sure to check this one out, because as this, what is this? One tick into the greed begins ticking into extreme greed, we are going to see massive amounts of retail buyers pouring back in. We are going to see massive amounts of FOMO, and that is going to drive prices much, much higher. So let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.